Here's a little chord progression, and let's say we just have no idea what key this is. Let's start with a nice simple major scale. I'll go with C first. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So this is not going to fit with our chord progression here because it's not in the key of C major. So let's just hear that dissonance. So yeah, it's absolutely out of key here. So you can kind of aim for the one that you think it is, or just go one by one right up through these notes until you find a harmonious pattern. So hopefully your ear is telling you that that is not working. The first one is a little out of tune. That first one is definitely out of tune. Let's go up again. Up again. And this is starting on the E, so this is probably in the key of E major, or we could look to the sixth of these notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and call this C sharp minor. Start on the C sharp for our pattern here. So there would be another option right there, the C sharp minor scale. But I'm liking this major scale here. So yeah, we'll say this is in the key of E major.